Here, today's topic is transcription. So let's just start with introduction. Definition. First, cellular process in which RNA is synthesized using DNA as a template known as transcription. RNA, polymer of ribonucleotide held together by 3' to 5' phosphodiester bridges and are single strand, is the only molecule known to function both in the storage and transmission of genetic information and in catalysis. All RNAs except the RNA genome of certain viruses derived from information which is stored permanently in DNA. So, in RNA, three major kinds of RNA. First one is messenger RNA. So, it is found in like 5 to 10% that transfer information of gene to ribosome that encodes the amino acids sequences. And second one is transfer RNA. 10 to 20% reads codes on messenger RNA and transfer appropriate ammonia acid to amino acid to messenger RNA, and ribosomal RNA 60 to 80% constituent of ribosome. Many additional specialized RNAs which has catalytic activity or regulatory functions are present in the cell. So this is a DNA, messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, miRNA, ribosome. So in replication, entire DNA molecule is normally copied. In transcription, a particular gene, a group of genes are copied at any time. Some portion of DNA are never transcribed. So gene is a segment of DNA that codes for a type of protein for RNA and may present on any strand of DNA contain many genes. So this is a gene which is found in on DNA. So difference between replication and transcriptions. In replications, both strands both strand whole genome is replicated. In transcription gene, single strand and the small portion of genome is transcribed. And primer, yes, primer is needed in replication, and no primer is needed in transcription. Enzyme DNA polymerase is required for replication, and RNA polymerase for transcription. And product, these are made for double stranded DNA, and in transcription that single stranded RNA is made from transcription. And base pair, this adenine thymine and guanine cytosine. In transcription, adenine uracil, and like thymine adenine and guanosine uracil. Proofreading, yes, in replication proofreading is required, and transcription no proofreading is required. So features of transcription is a highly selective. This selectivity is due to signal embedded in the nucleotide sequence of DNA. So specific sequences mark the beginning and the end of the DNA segment which is to be transcribed. So this signal instructs the enzyme where to start and stop the transcription, when to start and how often to start. So another next features, many of the RNA transcripts are synthesized as a precursor that is known as primary transcripts, which on modification and trimming converted into functional site. So in transcription in prokaryotic that occur in cytoplasm and eukaryotic nucleus and in mitochondria, or in nucleolus that ribosomal RNA is formed, and in nucleoplasm transfer RNA and messenger RNA is formed. The basic biochemistry of RNA synthesis is similar in prokaryotic and eukaryotes, but its regulation is more complex in eukaryotes. RNA synthesis in prokaryotes is catalyzed by a small enzyme called DNA-dependent RNA polymerase. Here you can say RNA polymerase. And single enzyme RNA polymerase synthesize all type of cellular RNA in prokaryotes. So RNA polymerase use one of the DNA strand as a template on which complementary ribonucleotides are incorporated to synthesize RNA. So the strand of DNA which is transcribed to RNA called as template strand. Here, and opposite strand is referred as a coding strand. So coding strand is known as positive sense, and template strand is known as antisense. They are positive sense, they are plus sense coding strand, and then template strand is antisense strand. So RNA polymerase synthesize RNA in the direction of 5 prime to 3 prime. That means DNA template is read in 3 prime to 5 prime direction. So ribonucleotide required ATP, GTP, CTP, and UTP. ATP, GTP, CTP, and UTP. The prokaryotic RNA polymerase is a multimeric enzyme consisting of 6 subunits, 2 identical alpha subunits, similar but not identical beta and beta dash, and omega 6 is sigma factor. So core enzyme is made from 2 alpha subunits, beta and beta dash, and omega subunits. Like holo enzyme is made from 2 alpha and beta dash, and omega. This is the core enzyme plus sigma factor. So RNA polymerase or prokaryotic, that alpha alpha subunits determines the DNA to be transcribed, and beta catalyze polymerization, and beta dash bind an open DNA template. This does unwinding of DNA strand, and then like omega's function is not known, and sigma factor, most important, that sigma factor recognize this initiation sites called promoter. So functions of RNAPs, the single RNA polymerase performs multiple functions in transcription process. First, search and binds to promoter site. Second, unwind and sort stretch of double helical DNA. Third, select correct ribonucleotide and catalyze the formation of phosphodiester bond. That RNA plus nucleotide triphosphate, that RNA nucleotides per phosphodiester bond for detect termination signal, and last one interact with the activator and repressor protein that regulate the rate of transcription. So transcription in prokaryotes, 3 stages: initiation phase, and elongation phase, and termination phase. In initiation phase, RNA polymerase recognize the promoter and start the transcription. Elongation phase, the RNA strand is continuously growing. Termination phase, the RNA polymerase stops synthesis, and the nascent RSA is separated from the DNA template. So in first step of the transcription, that is the initiation. So involves the interaction of RNAPs with DNA at a specific site or sequence of DNA. That sequence of DNA needed for RNA polymerase to bind the template and accomplish the initiation reactions defines the promoter. So promoter are sequences of DNA that direct the RNA polymerase to initiate the transcription, usually located on coding strand. Simplest type of promoter found in prokaryotes. Two general types of sequence elements are found. One sequence element is believed to promote initial binding of the enzyme RNAP. Other element usually has high content of adenine and thymine. These sequences are 6 to 8 nucleotide in length and located about 35 and 10 then upstream of the start point of the transcriptions. So these are own coding strand indicates duplex DNA required for transcriptions. Change in only one base pair in promoter region decrease the rate of transcription. So in this exam, we can say that a coding strands, these are this upstream and downstream. This is the initiation point. We here the Tata box and Pibnox box attached with that thing. Like this is the coding starting point. This is we can start the like initiation of the transcription in coding strand, like initiation process. This is the initiation that a core enzyme allocated with the sigma factor attached with promoter. After that, promoter clearance, and then after elongates the strand. That is a transcription bubble. Transcription bubble. This is a transcription bubble that is attached with RNA polymerase, and this is the template strand. And at first unwinding the strand, then this is a template strand DNA RNA loop found in transcription bubble. That the hybrid is made of from 8 base pair. So termination. So the